Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox a little Dior Caro Heart shaped bag with you, so let's get cracking. Heart shaped bag is a very popular bag style, not just for Valentine or festive season. It is popular all year round. Chanel has them, but it's all sold out. A.W.A.K.E has them, Balenciaga has them, Coach has them, Louis Vuitton has them, but I prefer the Dior one. So let me show you what I got. Oh, these stars, don't throw them away because you can use them for your Christmas tree. I always love luxury shopping, and the unboxing is one of the most amazing experiences. So pretty! Oh my god! Ta-da! Look at how cute she is. Do you agree? Now, I want to go through a few things like the dimension, the color variations, the pricing, what it fits, and how versatile it is. And you can decide whether this is a good bag to invest or not. Number 1, size and dimensions. So, how big is this bag? This is my hand and this is the bag. That is the size. It is 4.5 inch width with 4 inches height. And this is the thickness of it. Looks like a giant waffle.
A very cute one.
So yeah. Does that help? So the next question is, what does it fit? Cell phone? Nah, not gonna work.
Sorry.
So let me show you the internal. So this would be the size of a normal credit card, and it fits perfectly in here. And what else? Let me add a few more credit card, house key, lipstick, lip liner, bobby pins, and that's pretty much it. Look, if you're lucky, you can get a chocolate in there. And that's it, that's all she fits. Very cute though. When you're cute, you can get away with so many things.
I know, right?
So, what is this tiny bag good for? For me, I got this so that I could keep my small little loose item in here before chucking it into a big massive bag, because I don't want things to get lost. So if you have a massive bag like this that is filled with stuff like me, like I'll tidy this up another day, but this is perfect so that if I need to look for my card, there you go. Imagine if I need a bobby pin, I try to look for it in here.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Needles in a haystack. You did not see that. So yeah, this is perfect to keep small little tiny things. Or this is perfect to wear out on a date night and you just want something tiny and cute. You can hold it like a clutch or crossbody. Like this. So, what other color variations does Dior have? There's this one and the red one. For me, I think I can get more use out of this color than the red. That's why I get this one. But if you like the red one, I will put the link in the description so that you can check it out. So every single year, close to Valentine's Day, Dior will launch a variation of this bag in slightly different colorways or different hardware. Last year, it looked like this. And for me, I'm like, not sure if the hardware works for me, but this year, ooh, this gold chain.
Lucky. So lucky.
Ooh, you know what? So the next question being a very important question. How much is this? For New Zealand, it is 1,850. And for US dollar, it is 1,150. So yeah, you be the judge. Next, I want to talk a bit about the care instructions. How do you take care of bags like this? Just like any leather bag, you need to be careful about scratches in like nail polish, makeup, things like that. But thank goodness, this is calf skin, which is slightly more durable than lamb skin.
Thank goodness.
So this is tougher and easier to look after, and it holds the shape better too. But worst come to worst, you can always take this bag back to Christian Dior and they are more than happy to do a grooming and maintenance service for you. So yeah, check in with your SA. Okay, one more thing I want to do before wrapping up this video. How do you style this bag? Let's find out. First of all, I want to say that the Dior Caro Pouch is perfect for any evening wear because you can't expect them to have any pockets. So yeah, this is great for you to put little things like lipsticks, cards, and your cell phone will need to hide. No way, you'll have to carry your cell phone like this. Yeah. So yeah, this is me going out, cell phone, and my little bits and pieces. Otherwise,
Can you hold my cell phone?
yeah, he will hold my cell phone. If you don't want to carry your Dior Caro pouch like this, you can always crossbody it. Like this. So yeah, it's pretty versatile for its size. Next, I want to show you another evening dress. Stay right there. Okay, outfit number 2. This is from an Australian brand called Beige, and you can get it from Revolve. I got this because it looks very similar to the Hailey Bieber 2021 Met Gala dress. Winning! So yeah, this little cute Dior Caro bag is perfect to zhuzh out an outfit like this. Look how cute this is. Oh, should I keep my hair or hair down? Hair down maybe. Okay, one more outfit, just because I want to show you that this bag can be used on a casual setting as well. So let me get changed. Okay, let's do a t-shirt and skirt. This is from Dior and this is from COS high-low mix. Let's get changed. Shoes. Let's go with these Balenciaga knife pumps. Ta-da! There you go. That's how I would wear it with a casual outfit. Oh, cell phone. Ta-da! I'm good to go. So yeah, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, press that bell button so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Have a lovely day and I hope I'll see you on my next video. Ciao!